Hello friends, welcome back to Incredible Stocks. So today we will be analyzing Bank Nifty. Okay, so we are having the chart of Bank Nifty. This is the weekly chart of Bank Nifty. Okay, so if we try to have a look at the candlestick chart of Bank Nifty, we are able to spot a congestion zone about this area, that is 35,800 to 35,900 range. Let me plot the resistance for you. The resistance is preferably between the zones of 35,810 and 35,985, roughly and 170 points range. Okay, and now since we have got the weekly closing, we have a decisive close about the 36,000 marks. Okay, and to be specific, it is 36,170. Okay, so we are getting a good weekly close. Okay, and there is a good support at around 34,000 levels as well. And since we have risen above those levels, we will be heading, or we shall be heading towards the all-time high zones of 37,700, 38,000, and preferably 40,000 in the incoming months. Okay, let us look at a daily chart. Okay, so as you all know, I was long on this day. I got partially stopped out on this candle. I again entered here, and now I'm still long. Okay, so now my stop loss for this I will tell you, but since we are looking at the daily chart, we are still having a congestion. Okay, right from 4th August till 11th August. So 4th, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 candles, and we haven't moved much. Okay, and the high for this congestion zone is 36,300. Okay, I'm long in Bank Nifty. I'm going to tell you what will be my strategy. Okay, whatever I have seen is giving me a sort of perspective that after we get after we clear a congestion zone, and above that zone we get a small consolidation, we break on the side of the trend. Okay, so I am expecting a bullish trade as of now, and my expectation could be around 37,000 in coming days, and my monthly target is around 38,000, 40,000. Okay, that range. And let us go down to the 15-minute chart, that is intraday chart. Okay, so if you have a look at the intraday chart, you'll know that I gave this call in Telegram channel where I told to go long in Bank Nifty just right here, and the day before, and just the day before, I was long in 36,000 call options August expiry. Okay, and I booked partial profits here, and I did go long in future CM. I'm still holding the trade. Okay, I when we went long here, our stop loss was this, and now from that level, since we have got this good breakout, it was I trailed down the stop loss from around 30 around from around 35,500 levels to 35,700. So around, we saved 170 points, and now my trailing stop loss for Bank Nifty is at 35,937. Okay, so this is now a profitable trade, and now I'm holding this trade with a currently 1:1 risk to reward. Okay, and soon, this is my expectation that soon we can see a breakout above 36,300 levels. And if we see a breakout above 36,300 levels, preferably the target would be just a simple target. If I calculate, I will take the length of this previous rally and then add it to the preceding low, and we get the target somewhere around 37,300. Okay, that is my aggressive target. Okay, yeah, so this is my target. My trailing stop loss is 35,937. Okay, and if you haven't gone long in Bank Nifty, you can go long. Okay, if you get Bank Nifty somewhere close to 36,100 levels, and your stop loss would still be at 35,937. If I go to 3-minute chart, you could see a good channel forming over here. Okay, and Bank Nifty just touched the lower end of the channel, and now it should be moving higher, and let's see what it does in coming days. Okay, if I try to plot a parallel channel just from the bottoms, I get something like this. Okay, So you can see that Bank Nifty is pretty much traveling in the same course. It is trending, okay, but we can see a good move if we pass the 36,300 mark, and we might be passing that. And I think there is a possibility, there is a 60 to 70% possibility that we might be heading for 37,000 levels after we cross 36,300. I'll tell you again, my trailing stop loss is 35,937. That is this low. And after we cross this level, we will be heading higher towards 37,000 level. Thank you. You can like this video, share with your friends, subscribe. Thank you very much.